Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming FB Lite is actually in basic mode. Open Settings and inspect App Info. Clear the cache now to remove old, conflicting files and free at least 200 MB so the app can update resources. Once done, restart your phone to flush memory. If Wi-Fi is flaky, switch to mobile data or a stable network above 2 megabits per second. This avoids partial loads. Make sure background data is allowed, because basic mode needs steady connectivity to rebuild its interface. Now focus on repair. Force stop FB Lite, then uninstall updates to return to the factory baseline. This removes broken incremental patches. Reinstall the official FB Lite from the Play Store so you get a clean, compatible build. Avoid third-party APKs that introduce errors. After reinstall, log in and grant required permissions for storage and network. Enable background data and auto-sync, because basic mode pulls assets in the background. This step lets the interface fully rebuild without constant manual refreshing. Finish by verifying the interface. Open feeds, messages, and notifications and wait 2 to 3 minutes for assets to populate. If some UI elements remain missing, perform a soft reset, clear cache again and reboot, then check once more because transient data often causes partial loads. Make sure basic mode in settings is toggled as intended. If issues persist, toggle basic mode off and on or reinstall while on a different stable network. This single troubleshooting step usually forces the app to fetch fresh resources and resolve stubborn errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.